Welcome to Easy Way for Education. Kite victers +1 zoology class 5 notes ആണ് ഇന്ന് ഞാനിവിടെ പ്രസന്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. +1 zoology chapter 2 ആയ Animal Kingdomത്തിന്റെ part 1 ആണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ടോപ്പിക്. Classification. Animals have certain similarities and dissimilarities. The better way to categorize these organisms into groups is on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities. This process is called classification. We have to consider certain parameters: levels of organization, body pattern, body symmetry, coelom. Levels of organization. Levels of organization are of 4 types: cellular grade, tissue grade, organ grade, organ system grade. Cellular grade. In cellular grade of organization, cells loosely arranged and coordination is absent. Tissue grade. In tissue grade of organization, cells are aggregated to form tissues. Organ grade. Here, tissues are grouped together to form organs for doing a particular function. Organ system grade. In organ system of organization, an organism is composed of various organ systems. Body pattern. Animals generally possess 3 body patterns: cell aggregate plan, blind sac plan, tube within a tube plan. Cell aggregate plan. In cell aggregate plan, cells are aggregated together but tissues are not formed. Division of labor among cells are present. Blind sac plan. In blind sac plan, body is in the form of a sac. That means a central cavity and an external opening. It is more advanced than cell aggregate plan. Tube within a tube plan. In tube within a tube plan, body is in the form of 2 tubes. That means outer body wall and inner alimentary canal or gut. It is highly advanced. Germ layers. On the basis of number of germs layers in the body, organisms are of 2 types: diploblast, triploblast. Diploblast. Animals having 2 germ layers, that means outer ectoderm and inner endoderm, are called diploblastic. Triploblastic. Animals having 3 germ layers in the body, that means outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm and inner endoderm, are called triploblast. Body symmetry. The arrangement of parts in the body of an organism to give definite form and structure is called symmetry. Asymmetry, radial symmetry, bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. Asymmetry. Any plan that is passing through the central axis of the body of an organism does not divide the organism into 2 equal halves. Example: spongilla, asymmetrical. Radial symmetry. When a plane passing through the central axis of the body divides the organism into 2 identical halves. For example, starfish. Bilateral symmetry. If the body of an organism can be divided into 2 identical right and left halves in only one plane. Example: crab. Coelom. The cavity or space in between alimentary canal and body wall is called coelom. On the basis of presence or absence of coelom, organisms can be grouped into 3: acoelomates, pseudocoelomates and coelomates. Acoelom, pseudocoelom, eucoelom. Acoelom. In acoelomates, the coelom is absent. Pseudocoelom. Pseudocoelom. In all organisms, the coelom develops from the mesoder except in the roundworms. Hence, it is called pseudocoelom. Eucoelom. In coelomates, coelom is present. Segments. In some animals, the body is composed of externally and internally repeated ring-like structures called segments or metameres. For example, earthworm. The process of composing the body with the metameres are called metamerism. ഇത്രയേ ഉള്ളൂ ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോ. പിന്നെ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. പിന്നെ തൊട്ടടുത്തുള്ള ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്താൽ ഞങ്ങൾ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന വീഡിയോകൾ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായിട്ട് ലഭിക്കുന്നതായിരിക്കും. എന്തെങ്കിലും ഡൗട്ട്സോ മറ്റു ക്ലാസ്സുകളുടെ അസൈൻമെൻറ്റ് ആൻസേഴ്സോ വേണമെങ്കിൽ കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത്. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.